In lateral meristem, it is of two types, core cambium and vascular cambium, and it is responsible for growth in thickness, or you can say increase in the diameter of the plant. So this is all about lateral meristem. And the last one is the intercalary meristem. One more thing about the lateral meristem, that it causes the organ to increase in diameter and girth. So this is the increase in diameter and girth is also called as secondary growth of the plant. You can see so many trees which is very old. It has its trunk are very bigger in size, very large in size, or you can say more in thickness, and this is due to the formation of or activation of lateral meristem, and this is called their secondary growth of the plant. So this core cambium, it produces a protective cork on the outside and secondary cortex tissue inside. Last one is the intercalary meristem. So this intercalary meristem, they are located at the base of the leaves or internodes. So examples of stem of grasses and other monocots. Such tissue also occur below the nodes. In case of any stem, you can say there are two reasons. There is nodes, these are the nodes, and in between these two nodes there is a structure or space which is known as internodes. This is nodes, this is also node, and in between two nodes there is a structure known as internodes. So this intercalary meristem, they are located at the base of the leaves or internode. Example, stem of grasses. As we know that all the type of grasses are the monocots, and such tissues also occur below the nodes also. Below the nodes. Example is the mint, which you commonly called as pudina. So this is the example. What is the function? It produces an increase in length of an organ such as leaves and internodes. What it does? Increase in length of an organ such as leaves and internodes. So this is all about lateral and intercalary meristem.